Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off content restrictions in music videos on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then after that, in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in the content and privacy restrictions, click the content restrictions. Then in this part, click the music videos. Then after that, in the music videos, if you want to disable, just click this part until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to enable, just click the turn on to enable until there's also a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off content restrictions in music videos on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.